So Slow Tune Teaching. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My dear students, if you are new to English, if you feel confused while reading English, or if you cannot pronounce words correctly, then this lesson is very important for you. Today, we're going to learn English alphabets and their sounds in a very easy, very simple, and beginner-friendly way. Please remember one thing. English is not difficult. The problem is only weak basics. And today, we're going to fix your basics. So sit comfortably, watch the video carefully, listen to every sound, and repeat with me loudly. What are English alphabets? English language has 26 alphabets. These alphabets are the foundation of English. Without alphabets and sounds, we cannot read, we cannot speak, and we cannot understand English. These 26 alphabets are written in two forms, capital letters and small letters. For example, A, small a, B, small b, C, small c. But today, we will not focus too much on writing. Our main focus is sounds. Letter name versus letter sound. This is very important. A is called A, but its sound is A. B is called B, but its sound is B. So always remember, letter name is different, letter sound is different. Good reading comes from sounds, not from letter names. Now let us start learning sounds one by one. A sound is A. A for apple. Say with me, A, apple. B sound is B. B for ball. Repeat, B, ball. C sound is K. C for cat. Say, K, cat. D sound is D. D for dog. E sound is E. E for egg. F sound is F. F for fish. Very good. Go slowly. Do not skip. G sound is G. G for goat. H sound is H. H for hat. I sound is I. I for ink. J sound is J. J for jug. K sound is K. K for kite. Excellent! You are improving step by step. L sound is L. L for lion. M sound is M. M for monkey. N sound is N. N for nest. O sound is O. O for orange. P sound is P. P for pen. Q sound is Q. Q for queen. R sound is R. R for rat. S sound is S. S for sun. T sound is T. T for table. U sound is U for umbrella. V sound is V. V for van. W sound is W. W for watch. X sound is X. X for box. Y sound is Y. Y for yellow. And Z sound is Z. Z for zebra. Great job!
You have completed all 26 sounds. Now, listen carefully. The word cat is not read as C-A-T by name. It is read as K-A-T by sound. This is called phonics. This method helps you read any English word easily. Practice daily. Repeat every sound. Speak loudly. Do not feel shy. Mistakes mean you are learning. If you practice alphabets and sounds daily, your reading will improve, your pronunciation will improve, and your confidence will improve. Strong alphabets make strong English. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next Easy English lesson.